How to enable or disable the caps lock or num lock OSD notification or sound on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to enable the caps lock notification or disable it, here are some steps that you can apply. So to get started with, tap on the search bar and type in control panel and which will open it. Now, in the view by category, select large icons and click on ease of access. Now from the list, click on make the keyboard ready to use or easier to use. Click on turn on toggle keys, which will now turn on a tone whenever you press caps lock, num lock or scroll lock. Once this is done, tap on apply and then on OK. Now if you access the caps lock, you will hear a sound every time you tap on it. So this is the first way to enable it. Likewise, if you want to disable the option, you have to search the services.msc and which will open another page. It might ask for permission, so select on yes. Once the services tab is open, if you are on a Lenovo computer, you will see a service called as Lenovo FN and function keys. If you are in the Lenovo computer, you can just right click on that functionality and then go to the startup type and select disabled. Now click on apply and OK and restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. However, if you're not in a Lenovo computer but on HP instead, in that case follow the third step. For the third step, click on search bar and type in HP system. This will open different type of system, but you have to specifically click on HP System Event Utilizer. Once you go on that, click on App Settings. Now from the App Settings, scroll down until you see Terminate and tap on it. And likewise, you have disabled and learned to enable the Caps Lock and Num Lock OSD notification on your Windows. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.